Right here I have this Varmtalys solar floodlight. Let me go ahead and open this up and show you everything it comes with. This is everything that came inside the box besides a user manual. It comes with the actual solar floodlight itself right here. I love that this is a waterproof, outdoor motion sensor, LED and solar floodlight. It also has the remote here, so you can actually use it really nice and easily, even if you're not right next to the light itself. This is also a dusk to dawn light, so it can automatically turn on once it gets dark enough outside, and then again turns off once it gets light enough outside in the morning. This is gonna be a perfect outdoor light for our situation. I also like that it has this solar panel, just gonna make it really easy to use. It comes with all the hardware that you're going to need to install both of these pieces, and it even comes with the batteries for the remote control. Because this is solar powered, it means it's virtually going to cost $0 in order to use this because you don't have to use any electricity. And the sensor that this has for motion detection goes up to 39 feet, which is really nice. With the solar panel, this does auto charge for 4 to 6 hours during the day. And then it proceeds to light up over 12 hours at night, which is so perfect, especially for winter time. If you do have this set up in sensor mode, for example, you can have this constantly on a low brightness level, and then it can go to a high brightness level once it detects some motion. And you can see this remote control right here. You can adjust all of the different settings, so you don't have to be right next to the lighting panel itself. You can see this is what it looks like when it is turned on. This is in the really bright mode. It does have the little charging icon showing how much battery is left right down here. I'm gonna go ahead and get this set up so you can see what that looks like. Not only is this IP65 waterproof, but it's also snow resistant, heat resistant, and frost resistant, making it perfect to be able to use in severe weather even. The installation process was really nice and easy. All you have to do is to pre-drill 2 different holes in the wall or in the right place you're going to use this. All you need is a flat surface in order to install the bracket. And then the second step is you're just going to mount the light and the solar panel on the wall with the screws that it comes with, and connect the 2 cables and adjust it to the right angle. This setup makes it perfect for using on a warehouse, a shed, a courtyard, patio, garden, as well as so many different places. I'm gonna go ahead and let this charge up in the sun for a little bit and show you what it looks like in the evening. Okay, we're outside and the panel has been charging for a couple of hours. You can see it has a little battery light on there. Now we're gonna go ahead and turn it on. So you can see how nice and bright that makes the yard. So this is the brightest setting right here. Let's go ahead and show you some of the different lower settings. So you can see it gets a little bit dimmer, and this is the dimmest setting. I do like that it's still bright enough to see. Right here on the remote control, you can see we have some other options as far as setting up the motion sensor and setting it on for 3 hours or 6 hours and having it an auto turn on. I really like all these different functions. So you can see it actually tested out the motion sensor. I do like that the light can stay nice and dim until it does detect motion. That is really nice. Overall, I'm really impressed by this solar setup. I really like that this doesn't have to be plugged in and it doesn't cost any money to operate.